The Life IP project is an 8-year project led by the Energy and Water Agency and co-financed by the EU Life programme. A total of €17 million have been awarded to the project to achieve its primary objective of supporting the implementation of the Water Framework Directive in Malta. This will ensure the optimised management of all water resources in the Maltese Islands. The first preparatory phase of the project was concluded in December 2019. Malta is by far the smallest and most densely populated EU member state. Due to the semi-arid climate, Malta suffers from water scarcity, which leads to an increased vulnerability of our natural water resources. The high population density and the resultant high water demand lead to the reliance on groundwater to satisfy the potable water requirements. Abstraction from the water table is therefore leading to further stress and gradual increase in salinity of our groundwater. Malta's inland and coastal waters are also subject to pressures and contaminants resulting from human activities. All this leads to significant challenges on how to manage our natural water resources. And this is where the project will play a key role in the management of Malta's water resources. Through the project's actions, we'll be able to improve our current approach to managing water resources, increase awareness on the current state of our natural water resources, assist the adoption and implementation of new or innovative approaches, and generate new scientific knowledge in order to reduce existing uncertainties. The project's actions include a wide variety of activities and the involvement of many public entities. One of the main actions of the project is the development of a monitoring strategy to identify contaminants of emerging concern in the various water environments, including surface waters, rainwater runoff, groundwater, and new water. This monitoring program will help us address potential new sources of pollution. Another action of the project seeks to engage the younger generations through the implementation of a water educational program aimed at raising awareness on the scarcity and the need to conserve our natural water resources. The project is also supporting the development of management plans to rehabilitate the natural ecosystems in existing valleys, whilst also ensuring that rainwater runoff can be stored behind the valley dam structures. During the next phase of the project, additional activities will commence with free water consumption audits in households. These shall empower households to make good use of their water and increase awareness on water efficiency and conservation. Furthermore, a voluntary water efficiency label should be developed to encourage local suppliers of water technologies to encourage the sales of water-efficient devices and appliances to prospective buyers. The project also includes the development of a demonstration site for the use of new water for agricultural irrigation in Gozo. The demonstration site shall also inform farmers on the high-quality standards of new water. Malta's coastal waters also play a very important role in the integrated management of our water resources. The project also includes actions aimed at mitigating the impacts of anchoring activities on the seabed and rehabilitating one of the few coastal wetlands in Malta. The University of Malta will also be participating in the LIFE project through its Physical Oceanography Research Group. Marine observation platforms shall be deployed to develop high-resolution models of seawater currents around the Maltese Islands. The national utility company, Water Services Corporation, shall also embark on a monitoring program to understand the impacts of brine on the marine environment from reverse osmosis discharges. As you can see, the project aims to develop a toolbox to help us better manage our water resources, and in doing so, bringing together a large number of public entities and an even larger number of experts to work together and address our common challenges. However, your involvement is also very important, and the project shall, throughout its implementation, engage with various stakeholders in many forms. Ultimately, your opinion also matters, and this is why we invite you to follow the RBMP Life Malta project. If you want to learn more about the RBMP Life Malta project, visit www.rbmplife.org.mt.